Hello, people. This is yet another implementation of GPT-3 based models. In this video, we'll be looking at the possibility or usability of GPT for giving us a Q&A session from a given file. Suppose that you have a very large document and then you need to parse the entire document and look up a certain thing. GPT based models can help you do that. You open a file. What we are giving it is a 8-page document, medical document, which tells what you can do with treatment of mental problems for a person. Okay, so we'll ask a question like we'll open the document, this one. We'll open the document and we'll ask a question from the document. So this is the document. We'll be asking question. Okay. Okay, this one seems a bit complicated. We'll ask, what are the symptoms of psychosis? So, oh, this again works similarly with like the other videos wherein the input is parsed and it is being sent to GPT-3, which will summarize the text and will give us an answer. So, see, it says that it is asking you to look for alterations in consciousness, meaning differences in way a person usually behaves. Orientation is the way they speak. Like if they are speaking in a way, they will speak in another way. Memory difficulties, etc., etc. We can see that that is what is usually present here. Their delusions, hallucination, false beliefs, etc., etc. This is something we can do. Let's ask it another question. We'll ask a question like, uh, how do you manage person with dementia? It's here. It's also in the document, dementia. A question like that. So this utilization of GPT-3 based models comes in handy when you have, say, a very long document and you need to search for something that you not know in the document, and this GPT-3 based models will give you help you this way to look up something that you don't know where exactly this present in the document. So it says that dementia patient requires support from family as well as society. Treatable content should be managed on a priority. So we'll look up this. Yes, it says these patients often need investigation, should be referred to hospital. Treatable conditions are all and should be managed on priority. Counseling of the family as nature, of course, is very important. So let's see what medication it has suggested. It has suggested that in small doses, Sporting, etc. has been suggested, just clearly present in the document. Searching through a manually large document could be tedious, and GPT-3 based models can come in handy solving these problems. Thank you.